We're having the GT camp, which is the enrichment for our gifted and talented students. We give them the opportunity to experience activities that we really don't get to do much in the regular classroom during the regular school year. So they get to do a lot of hands-on activities, a lot of art, a lot of creativity occurs here. There's camps with the DIY backyard games. There is construction going on with creativity. There is an artsy garden class, and all they do is they do a lot of art stuff that they don't really get to do during the school year.
Well, we're about to make slime like soft slime, stretchy slime, sticky slime, and then we're gonna do some fun activities.
So we are all making bridges. As you can see, there are many bridges. Some people are working in groups and some people are individually working in bridges like me. And it's a very fun thing to do. We use our imagination. I think it's a very great thing. I've been enjoying with my friends. I've been enjoying painting my bridge the most actually, because it's the most fun part.